Welcome back to PiggyBankPC. So here it is, the bargain I managed to snap up. It's HP Z440 workstation. It's got an Intel E5-1620 version 3 CPU. That's 4 cores, 8 threads at 3.5 gigahertz. Got 16 gigabyte DDR4. It's got the better 700 watt PSU with the PCI connectors. That's got 2. They're 6-pin low. And yeah, it's got a really pants graphics card. Would have been 80 quid ish. Managed to haggle it down. In the end, I got it for £68.80. So it's always worth going for a little haggle. Okay then, so this is everything that we've got, apart from the mouse. Oh yeah, we've got this pretty pants graphics card. I don't know what this thing is, but we'll take it out anyway. The rubbish said it was an SSD, but it's not. I'm gonna have a look at it here. It says it's an SSD, but it ain't. That's an old-fashioned hard drive, 2-inch or something like that. So we're going to pop that out. We'll put our SSD in there. We did get some optical drives. So there we go. So we got DVD drive from way back when. Got another little DVD drive. And we've got this like SD card sort of reader panel. Got quite a few USBs. I think the type 3s or 3.0s, and then like microphone, earphone, and a power button. I think it rocks. I don't know. So that's power. That's probably reset. Alright. So that's that. On the back, let's just get the. There we are. So there ain't really an I/O shield. Sort of built into the case. So if we was to move it out of this case and put it into something else, I don't think we'd have an I/O shield, so that may be an issue if we have to change the case, but we're not worried about that because we're just seeing what this bad boy can do. Right, here we go. So make sure it's not plugged in. We've already tested it. Make sure it works. That's rule number 1. Always, as soon as you get the delivery, plug it in, see if it works. I did record it, but I can't find any of the footage, which is a bit of a shame because I did do some tests on it, and yeah, it's all gone. So it did have Windows on it, and then I plugged a better graphics card in, and now I've got the blue screen of death. So I'm just going to strip it down now. Definitely know it works. Strip it down. I'll take all this out. Going to take the CPU cooler off. Check the thermal paste. I mean, this is, if it's never been changed, it's like 11-year-old paste. It definitely needs changing, and there is no question that that is well past its sell-by date. Right, here we go then. I don't like doing these on the angle, but needs must. Look at that is. It's definitely dry, but so if you have a look, it's dry. We will get these wipes. These are good little wipes. Saves having to try and find tissues and stuff. It's all built into one. I will leave a link. I swear by them. Alcohol wipes. These ones I use. not particularly expensive. Here's our CPU with all the crusty. And when I was benchmarking, it was getting like 50, no more than 60 degrees, which is alright, to be honest. It's not bad. It's I like to spread them out a little bit to make sure that we got the coverage. You don't have to do this. People say, oh, you've only got to use a P drop, but yeah, maybe when CPUs was tiny, but now they're a bit bigger. So just make sure you've got it spread out and it touches every little corner, I'll find, and then you definitely know. That it's got coverage. And ideally you have more in the middle, and it will push its way out. I've got to give this old bit of kit some credit. This cooler, if you look at it, look at that, that's pretty well built. Massive copper coolers in the middle and smaller ones on the outside. And it definitely does a good job. And I was testing it. And the fans, I don't know, it's 11 years old. Really want that screwdriver now. I think doing them on, I won't get that in there. Right, so I'm going to do what I said I wouldn't want to do. There we go. Back in. Right, now it's got tool list removal and everything, which is nice. Let's get this out. Have a look at it. Look, that's why it was noisy. Had one blade missing, but I know because we ain't using it. So I have to search what this does. I mean, it plugs into the motherboard. I don't know what it actually does. If I get a closer screen, yeah, I don't know what it does. Right. So we got all that out. Oh, don't forget to plug the fan back in. And look, it's got GPU power supplies. There's 6 pin, which is a bit pant. It's ideal for the 1060 we're going to install in it. But right, let's get this little. Oh, that comes out easy. Quite like the tallest design of all this. Don't know how to get this out. I think this caddy. Oh, look at that. Oh. So that's, there we go. We got this. Got this this replacement. We could have gone for a smaller one, but 1 terabyte is sort of where you want to aim really. And if you've got the budget, go for bigger. I would definitely say if it was a M.2 drive. So, and this was like that way up. I believe that's it. Slide this back in here. This is the wrong way around. That way. I'll leave a link in the description to one of these drives. Very reasonably priced. 40 odd quid. There we go, that's back in there. Oh, this way round. It's a bit wibbly wobbly, I don't like that. But if it works, it works. If not, I'll just put a proper caddy in there for it. Now, make sure all the plugs are in. Oh, this doesn't have a built-in graphics display, so you will need to put a graphics card in. Might put the original back in for now. Clamp that down. Not putting this thing in, I don't know what it does yet, and we'll see if it boots up. Next time we're going to install the GTX 1060 and run the benchmarks. Subscribe to stay tuned.